Okigwe here. In Okigwe here, the militaries have come out to the base of Okigwe here to attack us. The Wisu villagers there.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Dix TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and your location. Today being 1st of October 2025, happy new month to you all. Biafrans, from the stables of Magnetic Dix TV, we are bringing this news live and direct to you. The Biafra Liberation Army engaged the Musa guys today being 1st of October. You can see this video how they were recording the Musa guys as they were passing by. So at a particular location they exchanged fire, a gunshot. But the major news here is that those criminals, those people that are calling themselves ESN or calling themselves Biafra Liberation Army, those fake ones, they were captured in Anambra State. In one of the camps in Anambra State, they were captured by the security of Anambra State called Aguneshemba, Ndogashi, and others. Combined team, they were able to capture these young guys. The funny part of it is that, not even funny, but the bad aspect of it is that these are young guys, youths. I don't think any of them is up to 30 years here or 32 years here. You can see how young they are. Why are they into all this rubbish? Why are man, this is real bad. They are spoiling the name of the real ones, the real major Biafra Liberation Army that are defending the land of Biafra. These are the ones that are kidnapping, that are into kidnapping, into all sorts of criminality in Biafra land. Thank God for the work of these security men who were able to defeat them and capture them.
Why goes easy,
to have bomb. No one the Batarana of your band of Vumbo. So Hamicha Bosso, Rapo Union Fabron Kanon Kanga. Sons of Pompa for Uroya, Kevin Kafaja roll on Bemwana no here. Because Amarum Uka, or Profama Bion Chena, no, I'm a Buria. With no more grenade off from Gongofa. What a Muamahon Dinka, Manosna Hama Kudu, and then we would be and we're here.
Can you go?
Can't be Ronya.
Eke Abunkun.
Kiabunka with the Buffon.
Now some of my asking Eke Abunkun. Napon people.
And you got to be unbelief for hard of a boss. I have
Gabuns Kunjab. The unknown men Gunna or Ditch and Kadita.
For one Kava teacher, and you might be finding the guy nacho. Or couldn't Yacha.
Undazuri.
Because
a holy goodness.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in the name of ESN.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did I find you?
I found me find you.
You find you?
Yes, sir.
On your bed?
On your state, on your sir.
On your sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it's not a bunkum, Diabo. Of AK. Napon people.
And because of Bianca no favor and
okay. Cannot figure the year.
For Fashara.
Or Fashara. Mother for Nimeba now.
And where's on the near? Happy to go. You to let me when you far to go to the line.
Okay.
Where's in India?
I'm going wine.
And good wine. And I know nothing can go at Chebata. You don't down on or after an Chebata. But also, but I'm Union.
Okay, on no men in Kun, the Rebun of one.
And what of I know about flying river. And what of an officer I can ask Nandi Malanos, I can't do about here.
Okay, no, there's no of Father.
I'm a moving fine actually.
Okay, go to some idea and Diana Chesibata.
For one move up here upon my own. I want to know what you going to use now. That's AK. For one move up being with iru chukwu n'ihu mmadụ.
Ịgbara ọsọ gbana Akure.
Anọ m Akure.
Ịgbara ọsọ gbana Akure.
Ihe m na-arụ bụ pentin.
Asị m gị ịgbara ọsọ gbana Akure.
Na-arụ aka ọrụ m.
Ịgbara ọsọ gbana Akure abi?
Agba m ọsọ sụfa na ike.
Small bụ onye ebe ka ọ bụ.
Onye enye eze akwa.
Okay.
Want to go? On a go.
Let's move also.
Want to go?
Onna agba egbe. Ona agbazikwa egbe. Ona agbazikwa egbe. Ona agbazikwa egbe. Ona agbazikwa egbe. Ajụrụ m ụnụ na-agbazikwa egbe. Come on, the go so. Come on. Ona agbazikwa egbe. Ajụrụ m na-agbazikwa egbe. Mba. Ona agbazi egbe. Ona agbazikwa egbe.
Kakwan gada shat ka kalo no mma.
Butu ọkụ a na ka m sị gaziri. Wa na agbata ọchị na. Ona agbazikwa egbe. Ajụrụ m na agbazikwa egbe. Ono na-apịa igwe. Ono na-apịa igwe. Ono na-apịa igwe. Ọ na-afụgo ka o si adị n'ọ mkpata igwe aka na ka ọ nọrọ dị a. Come on balance ọ dị ọsọ. Ono na-apịa igwe. Mfido no na-apịa igwe. Na ya enwe joy. Ono na-agbazikwa egbe.
Mena talk. Come on.
Ono na-agbazikwa egbe. Ono na-apịazikwa igwe. Ono na-apịakwa igwe. Ono ga-apịakwa igwe. Ono ga-esukwa igwe. Ono ga-akụkwa igwe. Ono na-agbazikwa egbe. Asị m na-agbazikwa egbe. Ono na-agbazikwa egbe. Ndị na-esu igwe. Ndị na-esu igwe. Aka na-esu igwe. Aka na-esu igwe. Shut up! Mgbe ị na-ejide mmadụ ịmara ka unu si agbafa. Ka unu je na nke Porsche unu amara ka unu si pịa.
So Biafrans, you can see the governor of Anambra State, Soludo, calling for the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu again, while he is also saying that this sit at home needs to stop, that he doesn't understand the need of this sit at home.
I want to remind us in Igbo that something befell us over the last few years. In trying to complain or agitate, paradoxically, we turned the gun on ourselves. I've done this consistently before I became governor. In 2017, when Nnamdi Kanu was first in prison, I led the delegation of prominent Igbos to go to Okigwe prison to ask for his release. We came out, we addressed an international press conference. Later, he has been arrested again. We had billboards. Even before this president was sworn in, I wrote a letter to the former president and copied to the then president-elect, the current president, asking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. So today I also join the Ohanese and Igbo worldwide in making the same call. I want him to be released so that he can join the rest of us, the stakeholders, because we need to sit around the table and have an important debate about the future of the Igbos. Is it the agitation to separate from the rest of Nigeria? I'm not sure. Or is it the agitation to build a prosperous homeland that will become a destination of choice? That is a debate that the Igbos have not had. I said that when I reviewed the book on Biafra by Chudi Ofodile in 2016 or 2017. I said so, that the Igbos need to sit down and debate and discuss their future in a very important way. It can be won by emotions, it's not by heart, but to win it with our heads. Something dangerous befell us. Our bushes and forests were taken over by criminals pretending to be agitators or liberators. I have said this everywhere and I have no apologies, repeating it a million times. Because a problem that you have not diagnosed, you cannot solve it. Our people went into the bush, all pretending that they were agitating for the liberation of Igbo land, but indeed, while indeed they are criminals, kidnappers, kidnapping our people, and turning an Igbo to become a desolate homeland. The so-called sit at home, who are we hurting? We are killing ourselves. Igbos are killing themselves. And so, Ohanes and Igbo, while we commemorate today, may it become a point of contact for us to become the search for a new Igbo land.
Biafrans, listen to Ugo 247. Ugo 247 has something to say. You know, after Mazen Nandekalu was denied bail last court appearance, Ugo 247 made a video concerning that with Bianca Ojukwu. Likewise, other things that are happening in Biafra land.
I greet everybody anywhere you are, anywhere you're viewing, seeing, or eyeing, or learning from. I greet you. I want us to remember something about this woman you are seeing here called Bianca Ojukwu or Bianca no. You know, I say that whenever you see me, I'm coming out with facts. I know they come out do saga. Now, this woman was the woman that came in when she was sworn into whatever foreign affairs or foreign ministerial whatever. She said that her first priority be say she will make sure that everything necessary is done for Mazen Nandekano to go home. She said in so many ways, so you can see today how far Bianca no or Bianca Ojukwu, whatever. I want also to remember that I and Wawundigo, we have a bigger problem than what we are looking at. Our problem is inside the house. When you take a look at what is going on today, Mazen Nandekano, what happened? You see Carolina Crawford or the mother. I am coming to that. I will make a program about them. You see the DOS, you see the family, you see the wife, you see the everybody, you see the friends. The problem is not anywhere far from these people. You see Simon Egba, the same thing. We build and our families destroy. When I'm talking about family, I'm not talking about immediate family, the same son and the same family. No. Igbo people. Ojukwu built, Igbo people destroyed. Owazirike, Igbo people destroyed. Nnamdi, Igbo people destroyed. Simon Egba, the same Igbo people destroyed. What we always look for is what we enter our mouth from the side here and here. Finish. We are never interested in what we come into our mouth direct. Why are we Igbo people always looking for things to come through here to our mouth? Why? Anybody that wants any political position, crucify Nnamdi Kanu, crucify Simon Ekpa, crucify Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo. They will give you position. Stand against your family, you will be recognized. Stand against anything Igbo, you will be recognized. It's a shame. And the ugly part of it is that when you look at all these people, their position is nothing to write home about. They are just like errand boys in their boys' quarter, not even in the main house. Errand boys in a boys' quarter. It's a shame. Look at all of them from beginning to end. Look at Ojo Zokanu. Look at Okorocha. Look at Hopu Zodema. Look at Devo Mahe. Look at all of them. Willie Obiano. Look at them. Namane. All of them from beginning to the end. Where are they today? You come, they will use you to crucify your family, they will dump you. Yet, nobody seems to be learning from all these things. Bianca no came out. Nnamdi Kanu, priority. Today, have you ever heard Bianca no come out to say anything? This is the same Bianca no, remember, that with Ishide Odenkalo, that discovered over 300 ndị gbukasịrị lili na ndị lirili na Baye na Anambra State. Shallow grave. Over 300. Now they said over 300 youths disappeared. Tomorrow you will see bones everywhere, everywhere. I see girl on the IPUB, on the ESN, on the USB. You are not thinking, you are not asking yourself, all these your youths that were whisked away by the military, police, USS, Asari Dokobo, where are they? You are always good in pointing accusing fingers at your own brothers. Even when you know that you are wrong, you will stand bold to condemn your brother to death because of the political breeze you are looking at to touch you. Ndonu.
Kinga Uragu is very, very surprised that a young boy like this will be asking or saying that he wants to join the Biafra Liberation Army. According to Ikenga Uragu, I believe Ikenga Uragu said the right thing here in this particular video. He portioned the blame to the government, to the politicians, because they are the one that has refused to develop our land. Let it be that our land is developed. Majority of all these things will not be happening the way they are happening today. So Ikenga Uragu is like, he is right here in this particular one, in this particular video, where he portioned the blame to the politicians of the Southeast.
Afamu Chibueze. Abu onye Ebonyi State kambo. Nwafu Igbo kambo. Afamu Chibueze. And ihe m jiri bịa kịta bụ na achọrọ m so na Biafra Army. Achọrọ m so na Biafra Liberation Army, but enwere m link, amamizi onye ga link m up. I just want to be among. Biko, I'm willingly, we are very many. Many of my brothers are here. But nobody, I want to marry at the game because.
Can you hear that? This is what I'm talking about. It might be reason this little boy, or because ndị kwesịrị ide ekwu not condemn if these so-called freedom fighters are doing in the name of Biafra agitation. Ndị kwesịrị that condemn ya na ha condemn ya. Onya bata obele nwa ji wee che na the right thing to do. Can you hear his confession? That he wants to join. That there are even many, according to him, there are many that want to join Biafra Liberation Army. Because a lot of children are being radicalized. A lot of children. And we can learn how to rescue them or to de-radicalize them. Man, the people, our politicians, our elders, that are supposed to support those who are working day and night to de-radicalize children like this, they don't want to support. Kelly Foga calls our politicians. Ijueja mount on radio, internet radio, or any radio, or you with a slot near people that can talk, can broadcast, but they will not do that. They can only come online to tell you how unfair Nigeria is to us. The same people who is telling you that Nigeria is not good, they are still politicians inside Nigeria, training their kids to become a leader inside Nigeria. But they keep telling you that Nigeria is not good, Nigeria is not working, but they are still inside Nigeria. Our problem, both our leaders, our elected representatives, they are our problem. It develop our religion, law, say no, law dry port, nobody will stop them. Hapụtasị na ha chọọ ịlụ airport, nobody will stop them. Hapụtasị na ha chọọ ịlụ train station, nobody will stop them. But they keep confusing you with Nigeria is not working because they pocketed the money they're supposed to use to develop our region. Go to other places. Go to Lagos. If how they are developing Lagos. But our own, I will not complain. Every time the way Nigeria is treating us. But you maintain your position, though, and you are even aspiring for greater position. But Nigeria is not working. Can you see that? If I were just a boy, I don't even think this boy is up to 16 years. But can you hear what he said? That he wants to join Biafra army. Because to him, he believes there is something like Biafra army. Even to him, Biafra is here. He just joined. To him, he believes that Biafra is here because they have radicalized him. Support us to de-radicalize them. You don't want to do that. But you keep telling us, the way they are treating us in Nigeria. No, nobody is treating us bad in Nigeria. You are our enemy. You, our elected representatives, you are our enemy. It's high time we tell you people that you are our enemy. You people are the one marginalizing us. You people are the one that put us in this predicament. You people are the one making things to look like these things are not working. Because had it been that you use what they gave you to develop our place, we will not be complaining. See your kid. See your kids. They want to join Biafra Repression Army. And how join our Repression Army, they will not come after you. You will start complaining. Oh, Tinubu is not your problem. You are our problem. You, all of you, our elected representatives, you are our problem. Stop telling us that another person is our problem. They are our problem. Can you get Tinubu's problem on Anambra State? Yes, he is the president of Nigeria. Nigeria were their own problem. That they are trying whatever they can to solve it. But how about our states? How about our region? None of this will happen, your children. What are you doing about it? How many months now calling and begging you people to go after these people who are radicalizing these children online? Go after them. Ngozo Raboise is there, promising them there's a 40 state of Biafra, even boldly pronouncing there will not be election in Anambra State. Ordinary person. Ordinary person interrupting democratic process. And what is our government doing about it? Nothing. What is our people living in America doing about it? Nothing. This woman is threatening the peace of Anambra. But Anambra were people in America. They don't want to do anything until the woman will carry out her threat. Then everybody will start shouting. Forgetting that this woman worked with the jailed terrorist, Simon Ekpa. Oh my, I know with ya. If I can Simon Puru, which are way for Bunumunze, with the second son of Ekwensu, Butuso. The same thing. Can you say that in America? Can she say that in America? That there will not be election in America? Can she open mouth and say it in America? But she can say it because our leaders don't care. After they will say Nigeria is the problem. Nigeria is not the problem. The incompetency of our elected representative is our problem. You people are the problem. Go after these people who are radicalizing these children. Arrest them. You knew where they live. Some of them are in Germany, some of them are in America, some of them are in Italy, and some other places. But you don't want to go after them. You keep complaining, it's Nigeria. How is it Nigeria? Get these people who are preaching this hatred online, get them arrested.
Biafrans, joy has returned to Osu Ihitokwa. To Osu in general, joy has returned. Many people who ran away are back home. So many markets are now reopening. Joy indeed has returned to Osu Ihitokwa. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Dix TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Once more, Happy New Moon to you all. Bye.
makọrọ nkwado ma ndị ihu ma ndị azụ ga-eji eme ya nwa bụ ihe anyị na-asị na onye gbacha mgba ọ na-agba onye iro gbacha mgba na-efu ka ọ na-agba. We must take over our place. Ahịa nwafọ a anaghị ihe ha na-azụ. Ya bụ ndị mmadụ ka ha gbasoro ihe ha riri na ụmụaka na-agbawa anyị aka. Ọkwa akwụkwọ ka ebido ebe ka esi eweta ihe eji akwụkwọ ụmụaka ụgwọ akwụkwọ. Ọkwa onye ụjọ akwụkwọ ga-eje n'uzu ụlọ akwụkwọ maka onye gụrụ akwụkwọ ya eje n'uzu ụlọ akwụkwọ. So anyị si ụlọ ga-eme na ịbịa were ayọkwa ka ume ghara ịda ụnụ mla, ka egwu ghara ịtụ ụnụ na Iseke nwere sekuriti. Onwe ihe dị ọdịanya na-anara fon nọmba mmiri bụ kọmanda sekuriti Iseke. O nwefe nsirede otu onye akpọ ya na fon bụ na asụ osi ya gbara bịa maka na anyị ma onye anyị nwụrụ na mmadụ. Anyị si ụnụ deme ọ na-abụ ekele karịa ekele ọ bụrụ demede. Olee ihe ị na-azụ n'afọ Iseke? Mkpụrụ akwụ. Olee ka obi dị gị taa?
Ọ bụ ife ọka m siri laa aṅụrị ụnyaahụ kwesịrị m bịa anyị a na-agba egwu mana ụkwụ adịkwa.
Iseke! Iseke! Unu na-ayụ na-afụ ndị nwunye anyị, ndị ma ndị na-akpọ nkata, ma ndị na-azụ mkpụrụ akwụ, ma ndị na-ere ezi, ma ndị na-ere ose, ma ndị na-ere ogiri, ka ha zuru na-enwe aṅụrị na ndụ la alachigata la afọ Iseke. Ha sị anyị jide ka anyị ji la anyị na-eme ofuma. Ọ Iseke niile na-eme ya, onwe ndị na-eme ya iche makọrọ nkwado ma ndị ihu ma ndị azụ ka eji eme ya nwa bụ ihe. Anyị na-asị na onye
St. Mary. St. Mary Catholic Church. Then St. Mary Catholic Church. Everywhere is bushy. Look how like the bushy. So that's St. Mary Catholic Church. Let's American Catholic Church. Ha. American Catholic Church. Ha na-ebupụtasị ihe ndị youth choir. Ha na-ebupụtasị ihe ndị youth choir. Kebe ụbọchị. Okay.